Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Bestari Asifa. I'm from State Islamic University of Riau, majoring English Education Department, and I'm class 3A. I will explain about conditional sentence. Definition of conditional sentence in simple terms. A conditional sentence is compound sentence that contains conditional regarding a perception, imagination, or an event that has not yet occurred. In English sentence, this conditional sentence begin with if as a sign that the conditional has not yet occurred. The form of a conditional sentence is if a clause plus main clause. If you notice, the if clause is part of the conditional sentence, while the main clause usually contains the consequence or consequence of the previous conditional proposition. And type of conditional sentence. First, conditional sentence type 0 or if sentence and with sentence or present. Conditional sentence type 0, first if sentence or present. This type is usually referred to as zero conditional sentence. This type of sentence is used when the result or consequence of a conditional is related, explaining a general truth and scientific fact. This sentence is usually in the form of present tense with the formula if plus simple present. Example sentence 1: If we burn paper, it becomes us. 2: I feel sick if I eat too much. And 3: If you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. Next, with sentence. With in present sentence, conditional sentence. The form of with in the present sentence, conditional sentence, use the additional word will to solve the help to someone can act with something that will do something. It can also be used if the speaker intends to convey a complaint that something is happening or not happening at the present time. With in present tense, conditional sentence formula: subject plus was, with plus subject plus was plus present tense. Example sentence: I wish it would stop raining. With present tense, conditional sentence. Make it is still raining, meaning. And next example, I wish he would win the singing competition. With in the present conditional sentence, make he doesn't win the singing competition, meaning. Okay, next conditional sentence type 1: if sentence present or future. The first conditional sentence is a form of conditional sentence that if used with it produce or has the possibility of happening in the future. This can happen because there are still realistic conditions that make sense for the possible to occur. Therefore, the sentence form of this first type of conditional sentence has the form of a simple future sentence. The formula of this sentence is if plus simple present or simple future, will or imperative, and end. Simple sentence this one: if I meet him, I will introduce myself. And 2: I will cook dinner tonight if you clean the house. And 3: if you rest, you will feel better. Next type, conditional sentence type 2, or if and with sentence are past. In if sentence past, second conditional sentence are a type conditional sentence that is used when the outcome or consequence has only the help of being related, even though the probability is very small. So it can be said that the second type of conditional sentence is not necessarily the case but can also be true. In this sentence, the formula used is if plus simple past or where, would, call, make plus verb infinitive. The use of call, would, or make serves to explain how much a conditional will occur. Example sentence: if I inherited $1 billion, I will travel to the moon. And if I own a zoo, I make let people interact with the animals more. And last example, if I were you, I will continue my study. Okay, next, we sentence or us. In the past sentence, conditional sentence is followed by the past tense is used to show regret for what we don't want, but in the fact it is happening at this moment. It can also be used to describe something that we want but doesn't happen at the present time. The meaning that appears in this pattern sentence in the present tense with in past sentence conditional sentence. Formula is subject plus was plus past sentence or to be or verb. Example sentence: I wish I were in United States of America now is wish in past sentence or conditional sentence. I'm not in United States of America, meaning, and I wish I cooked the special menu for the party in this wish in past sentence conditional sentence, and I don't cook the special menu for the party in this meaning. That's about conditional sentence. I think this all the explain of sentence. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.